Hey Colin,
Hi,
what are you going to show us for your YouTube channel today?
I'm going to show you guys the Braille Note Touch Plus. So this little gadget is really useful for blind and visually impaired people because you can type stuff on it and you can even download apps on it. And my favorite one on this thing is Path of Adventure. It's really fun.
Alright, so what are those things that you're touching right now?
Those are the Braille Dots in my Braille display.
And what do they do?
They allow me to read what's on the screen, but in Braille.
How is that?
It's pretty cool.
So, move your hands for a second. So, for each letter or word, these little dots raise up so that you can feel them. Is that right?
Yep.
Okay. Do you want to show us some things so we can see them move in action?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Word processor. Keyword. Louder.
And I use dot 4 and enter to turn up the volume.
Saturated keyword did not close. Discard button. Keyword menu. Edit box. End of document. S is A V I D E O. Video. Dots 1, 2 dots 2, 3 dots A N N E L dots 2, 5, 6.
And if I hit L with space, it'll go to the top of a document, and if I hit G with space, it'll read it.
Okay, so the keys that you're typing on right now is basically like you typing on a computer, like A, B, your letters and words and stuff.
Yeah.
So the big keys up top here are for you to type, and then the Braille cells down there are for you to read.
Yep.
Okay. And you use the keys up top to navigate through documents and stuff?
Yep.
Like open them and save them and whatnot?
Yep.
Okay. So now show us, do you have a couple sentences or a couple words so that we can see these dots move?
Do I have to type them?
I don't know. Is that all you typed?
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't you type something long to where you have to go to the next sentence so we can see them move?
Okay.
New line. End of document. Dot 6. I L O V E M Y. My. Dot 6 Y. Dots 1 to T. Title dots T U B E. YouTube. F A M I L Y. Dots 2 3 5. Dot 6 M A K E. Make. F U R E Y S U B. Dots 2 5 6. Sub. New line.
And I'm just reading it right now.
Okay, can you read it slower and so I can get a picture of it changing? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Top. I deleted.
Cool. Okay, and then on this one, if you open up this top flap, so as a sighted person, I would be able to read what you wrote. So something is a video for the channel. I love my YouTube family. Make sure you meaning subscribe.
This is this.
Okay. That's in Braille, so I can't read it.
Oh.
So you have access to the internet on here. I can see when you go to your Chrome browser and all of that kind of stuff, right?
Yeah.
So if I, what button on the side do I press to be able to use the touch screen?
Keysoft off.
those 2 volume buttons, and there you go.
Oh, okay. So now I can type here, okay? And if I drag that down, kind of like an Android, you can see all sorts of things. Bluetooth. I can clear all notifications.
Oh, wow.
That's pretty cool. Okay. And then how do you get it? Do I just shut the cover?
Yep, and then I press the volume buttons to turn Keysoft back on.
Okay.
Isn't this neat?
Yeah. So if you...
Keysoft on. Edit box.
Oh.
Yeah, I typed a bunch of D's. So I see the power over here. Is there... so it looks like there's some audio jacks and whatnot. And then what are these buttons in the front? Like down here.
Oh, those are the thumb keys that are used to navigate.
Used to navigate through a document or
Do anything.
through anything?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Huh. Does it have like, oh, yep, back here. I'm just going to move it for a sec. So we have an SD card, USB, and an HDMI port. So if I were to plug this in, like with an HDMI cable, to a monitor, would I be able to see what you're typing?
I think so.
Huh, we'll have to try that. Okay. So this is a what?
A Braille Note Touch Plus by Humanware.
Oh, cool. And how do you use this during school? What types of things do you use it for?
Taking down important notes.
Okay. And do you use this for like homework assignments if you have to write essays and things like that?
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Well, thanks for telling us how that works. And maybe in one of the upcoming videos, we will demonstrate how to use VoiceOver on your PC and on your Mac, maybe?
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Anything you want to say?
Make sure you guys sub.
Thanks, Colin.
You're welcome.